Hey guys, Ragnar back again. Today, it's not beard products, as you can tell, because you're in the kitchen. This time, it's another build. If I can grab the damn card. From these guys, look. It does say customized gaming. And I'll leave all the links for these people in the description. Got a nice set of instructions, look. And then, I can't see if you can see it, but there's an affiliate link at the bottom. And this is what we've got to work with. But as you can see, there is a lot of pieces. This isn't all of it. You've got some divides here. And then there's some other bits to build little section boxes. Yeah. This is pretty much everything. We've got the hinges, little wooden hinges. Right. This is going to be a two-part thing because I'm going to try and put some good old linseed oil, and I might put some wood stain on. But that will all depend on how it looks, because it's got custom engraving on, look. See? And on the lid. That's my Viking group logo, and then the other one was the naming runes. It's called Kriegsvin. So that's that bit again, look. Right. So now let's let the fun begin. So as you can see, this is the box dry fit together. Really nice box. It's made for my magic cards, and I've got a playmat that sits in it. So all your cards go up this side, and then your mat sits here, and these are the little divides that just slot in like that. So we go like that. And then I've had extras put in all the way along so that I can have different size decks put in. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with gluing this together, and then I'll bring you right back after it's all finished. Hey guys, right, I thought I'd give you just a quick update on the build. There's not too much left actually, to be fair. I've got to put a couple of hinges, well, one hinge on, attach it to the lid, and then these little doodads. You get magnets that sit in here, which I've got on order, and then they'll help keep the lid shut. But I've also taken a hinge off one of my cigar boxes and the latches, the latch system. So I've got this to go on as well. I did have a look online, but they're ridiculously hard to find, especially in this style this small. As you can see, look, there is a little loop as well that I've got on the table that goes through the hole, and then this, just, I don't know if you can see, it's got a little hook, look. So that goes through the hoop and keeps it shut. Just because I've got this box, because when I'm travelling with all my cards and stuff, I don't want to be carrying this around anymore because it's splitting. The glue is finally wearing through, look, all along that edge there. So all this edge is all coming apart, and then this box will be useless, which is a shame because it also doubles up as a life counter. Oh well. Oh yeah, and that's what my mat is. Nice big black dragon. Right, so the box isn't glued together. There's only two bits that are, and I'll show you why. I've done the center column, and then the panels that come on it, they're actually double, so you have to stick them together and then build the box. So there's the back. This is one of the panels I mean. It's, if I just pull it, you see, look, there's two panels there. There you go. So this is a separate panel, and then that white bit behind it is the actual inside of the box. See, I can just press them together. They will be glued. This side was the same. I'll show you this side in a minute. I've just got the bottom left to paint. Top's done. It came out really well. I'm really happy with the colour. So I'll show you inside. So this is all my group colours. The actual orange is the colour of the pig's eye on the standard that I've got, and then the brown is the actual colour of the stitching of the boar, and the green is the backing. You get 10 divides, as you can see there, that's where they all go. I had extra slots put in, so if you do order one, you won't have this many slots unless you ask for it. I wanted to be able to put over 100 card decks in. I've got a rat deck that's incredibly big, because it's a rat deck, so why the fuck won't it be? And then as you can see, I've done the brown on the bottom and that centre panel. The only bits left, look, at that wall and that wall, and then sticking, where's it gone? Those two edges just here together, look, see? So they need sticking together. These two have been stuck together. They were two separate pieces as well. They've been stuck together. They've been sat overnight, and I've put this strip in permanently now. So that's the box updated. I just wanted to give you a quick little insight, because I ended quite abruptly the first part, and the second part will be coming when everything's built. I might build the little boxes. They are literally tiny little boxes to put your tokens and stuff in. I'll build them on the second part. I'll get some more dye that I need to stain, and then I'll glue it all together, and then we'll finish it all together. But that's the box, and when it's open, I wanted this look. So that's my group name there. When the lid's up, it sits like that, look. So it says Krigsvin, and then they've got the group logo staring you in the face when I kick your ass with my magic cards. Come fight me if you don't think I will. I'll take you all on at the same time, and I'll kick your ass. So that's that. It's coming together really nicely. It flew together actually. The paint tin only took me about an hour to do all that, and I did have to disappear out and go see my mate who I'm his support bubble. So I had to go and see him with all this COVID crap going off. Make sure he won't go in completely loopy. I say completely, he's already loopy. But that's it. So as always, it is a massive honour to have you here, guys. Thank you so much for coming along, and I'll see you in part 2, where we'll get everything finished up, everything sorted, glued together, just in and done, and then I'll put my decks in and show you how everything sits inside and what I've got that's extra to put in. Cool. Right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Love ya.